So today we are going to learn how to install Windows 10. Right now this is Windows 11 and here I have a bootable pen drive. So in next video I'll be teaching you how to make a pen drive bootable. Okay. So before that, this PC E drive, in E drive we have 123 folder, ABC folder and new folder. When I'm removing this Windows 11 and installing Windows 10, the folder should be there, means our data should not be deleted. Okay, so first connect this pen drive to your computer. Okay, once pen drive is connected, you can see the pen drive here, Ventoy. Okay, so when the pen drive is connected, you have to restart the machine. Okay, so this is the new BIOS. Okay, so here I'm going to boot. In boot I have to select the set boot priority. So from USB pen drive I have to boot, so already USB hard disk UEFI SanDisk means my pen drive name is selected here. Okay, so your hard disk drive, the computer's hard disk drive should be in second place. Okay, these two storages. After this, for to save and exit I have to press F4 and it will ask for yes or no. Say yes and wait. Okay, so as I'm using Ventoy, here I have multiple boot ISOs, so I'm choosing English Windows 10. Boot in normal mode, yes, again enter. So this is basic steps I'm teaching you. In upcoming videos I'll be teaching you advanced Windows installations. Okay, here we have to select English India. Just press and hold the E key. Now select English India and next install. Here we have a repair option. In next videos I'll be teaching you that. Install. So here we can enter product key or CD key. Right now I'm choosing, I don't have product key. Here we have different type of versions of Windows 10. So I am using a PC with 8 GB RAM, so I'm selecting this one, Windows 10 Pro. If the RAM is only 4 GB, you can choose Windows 10 Home. Okay, next. So here agree. Next, custom. Upgrade is there, custom is there, choose custom. So here we have our drive. So I have to select this partition 145 GB. Okay, and hit next. I can format here or I can delete and create new partition here, but I'm choosing this one. Okay, so let's delete everything. Select this one, delete. Okay, 400 MB, select this one, delete. Okay, this is our partition, delete. Okay, this is our C drive, we have to delete this, and this is our E drive which I showed you. It have our personal data. Okay, so unlocated. So 146 we have unlocated space. New, give value of 1 lakh. So see, I have created a 100 GB. Okay, so select that 100 GB and next. So we are installing Windows to that drive now. Once this finish, I'll continue the video. Okay, now it is asking for restart. When it is restarting, you can remove the pen drive. So this is American Mega Trend motherboard. So I'm using F1 key to enter into BIOS. It depends upon your motherboard. Here we have to select India. Next, English India. Next, layout, it will ask, you can skip this one. Right now we have to select this one. I don't have internet, otherwise it will take too much time. Continue with limited setting because we don't have a Microsoft account, so continue with limited setting. So once after restart, it will ask for who's going to use this PC. I'm giving Vinay. Okay, this PC. Next, you can use password, or you can skip this. So I'm accepting this license and location services. So Cortana, I'm not using this, so not now. It will take some time. Okay, so here it is. This is our Windows 10. Okay, this is our Windows 10. Right, set this one. You can see that our 123 folder, ABC folder, new folder is added as it is. So our data is safe. Only the C drive is formatted and installed Windows 10. We just removed the Windows 11 from here. So our data is safe. So this is how we have to format our hard disk drives. Thank you.